Hello friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, we will learn the use of donut progress chart. We have this section which include the income, expense and saving, and if we have the expense 50%. It will reduce my income and ultimately our saving becomes 50%. And it will also reflect in the donut progress chart. Now, if I write expense 70%, then saving will be 30%, and it will also reflect in the donut chart and in the figures as well. This is how we will learn in this example, how to create a donut progress chart. Start our example to create a donut progress chart. First, we need to create the data, so we create the Then we create the expense cell and then the third one. We create the saving cell. So from the income, we minus expense and then saving. Now for the income. I write 1 and for expense 0.3 and then income minus expense. This is how we create percentage. Now I assume in the income $8,000. Then expense for the expense. I write equals to then multiply the expense with the income. So we got the 30% of 8,000. Similarly, we write here income minus expense. Then we select the whole percentage cell and click on it to change into percentage. Then similarly, we select the whole figures and then format cell in the format currency. And we choose the currency dollar and then decrease the decimals and then press OK. Now we select the whole box and go here in the bottom center alignment and middle alignment. Then we can change the color as well by bold. And then changing the color as per your own requirement. You can also change the font size. Then again, we make it bold. This is how we have created the data. Then to create the donut chart, we select the both percentages. Go here in the Insert tab and here. In the pie chart, you will find the donut or drop chart. Then we need to remove the chart title. Similarly, we remove the bottom as well. Then, now we right-click on it, and here you can see Format Now. First, we need to change the size. So we make it 50 enter, and you can see the changes as well then. Here in this option, you can see here, you can match the data like blue. Then, and here we can change the color. Similarly in the border, we write solid border. And again, you need to select the color. And then we need to increase the width size. So I increase the width size to 8. Then, now you can see the changes as well. And now if I need to change the orange color as well. So you can see here the reflection. So again, I need to make the light color. And here I need to make the solid line with the light color as well. Or you can change the no color as well, and in the border. You can see the no line. Now again, we click on it, and in the border we write or click no line. Then we close the bar. And just make it more presentable by decreasing the size as well. Or you can increase the size, or you can place the box bottom. Now in the page layout, we need to remove the grid lines to make it more presentable. Now we can test our result. Now if I change the expense, so it will impact on the saving. And same will reflect on the donor progress chart. And you can see here in the figures as well. Now we have completed our example. If you face any confusion, please write in our comment section.